Hey YouTube, Esso here. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I am back and I have some great exciting plans for the channel. It's gonna be fun. One of the issues, the reason why I wasn't uploading too much was mostly because I don't know what to do with the tech channel. I do also have a full-time job, so it is hard to make YouTube videos when you're fully working, but I finally figured out what I want to do with this channel and I want you guys to join me on the journey. So I brought a lot of cool shit I'm going to show you guys in this video very soon. And I want to turn this channel into more of like a... Somebody's driving fast. I want to turn this channel into more of like a tinkering slash learning because I want to learn a lot of stuff and I want you guys to come along with me. So let's go ahead and check out some of the cool shit I have.
All right, so let's start off with the first item. This is a soldering kit I got from Amazon. It's called Placebo. That's an interesting name, but yeah, so I just bought a soldering kit as I want to get into more micro soldering, electronic soldering, and things like that. So what's a better way to just get you a starter kit? This kit cost me about like 28 bucks. It comes with the solder iron and pretty much everything you need to get started when it comes to soldering. So I'm definitely going to be using this kit to practice. I also did buy a better version of this that cost me about 70 bucks. When that comes in, I'll show you guys, but for the most part, I just bought a nice beginner soldering kit, and just to play around with it. So we're gonna see how this goes. This is part of the plans for the channel. We're gonna be doing a lot of tinkering. So let's move this over to the side and bring over the next item. So the next thing I got is well, obviously this is not the iFixit kit, but I don't got that kind of money, so I had to get me the iFixit kit at home. Which is this right here, which is, it still comes with all the bits and stuff, but maybe in the future when I get enough money, I'll invest in a real iFixit kit, but this looks like it's going to be good enough, for what I'm planning on doing. But yeah, I also got this. As you can see, this goes hand in hand with the soldering stuff, as for sure we are going to be taking stuff apart on this channel. And my favorite thing now is this right here. Now, one of the things I want to do with this channel is I want to start building stuff. Like, we can start off very small, but eventually I want to start building things like drones, robots, and stuff like that. So I got me one of this, and just a little, so these are pretty fun. I've been playing around with it for a while now. That's why it's out of the box, and I got me all the kit that comes with it. This is a nice beginner kit. I'm going to put everything I have here in the link. So if anybody wants to like try to get them or been thinking about getting them, so here you go. This is how the stuff looks when you get it. I could put the exact kit I got in the description for you guys, but this is what it looks like. And it comes with the Arduino board right here. This is gonna be a lot of fun to play around with. So yeah, this is just the beginning of some of the cool stuff I'm gonna be getting. I'm also planning on getting a 3D printer in the future somewhere along the line, so we can sort of put all this stuff together. But the first step is just learning how this stuff works. Well, there you go. There you have it. Some of these stuffs are pretty cool, and I can't wait to start playing around with them. The Arduino board and the breadboard, those have been my favorite things so far that I've been tinkering with. Just a little disclaimer. I don't know anything about Arduino boards, breadboards, or even soldering. So this is what's going to make this channel fun. You guys are going to go through a journey with me, learning how to use these things and actually applying it to application. So that's why I want this to be more of like a tinkering slash e-learning type of style, because I don't know any of this stuff. I just woke up one day and I chose violence. I want to know how to read a circuit. That's basically, I woke up and I was like, how the hell do I read a circuit? So the only way to learn something is to get hands-on. So this is what this channel is going to be about. So we're going to start by building out small projects and things like that. And then along the line, you guys are going to watch me learn. And hopefully you guys can also learn as you follow along. So definitely, if you want to check out more content with these stuff, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe, because we're about to start rocking and rolling. So let's get started. So make sure you like this video. I am back, and I'm back, and we're about to start making some good gadget. At least I hope so. So, well, thank you guys for watching. Peace.